Welcome to the latest update from 24 Trains TV. This week, we're bringing you lots of new and exclusive content once again. Even though our selection keeps growing, our subscription price remains the same. For just $4.99 per month, you can already enjoy everything 24 Trains TV has to offer. A train on the road always draws attention, but especially when it's a special train set, like the one from the TEE Foundation. After the closure of the Dutch Transport Museum in Nieuw-Vennep, a new location had to be found, and that was found in Leek, in the province of Groningen. The transport of the partially restored TEE carriages had to take place by road, and that resulted in some truly spectacular footage, exclusively available to watch on 24 Trains TV. And when you see Groningen from above, you realize just how empty the northern provinces still are compared to the Randstad. On the nearly deserted marshalling yard in Groningen, we follow the shunting movements of a single locomotive and a few train units. Traveling to Italy in the summer is something that attracts many tourists. 24 Trains TV takes you on a cab ride through the Italian region of Lombardy, transporting you through this beautiful part of Italy. Who knows, you might even get some inspiration for your next vacation. On the Neustadt model railway, you'll almost feel like you're in the real Neustadt. All the sounds are reproduced with lifelike accuracy, from the station announcements to the church bell. In addition to typical Austrian trains, legendary trains like the Orient Express also make an appearance. Immerse yourself in this extraordinary miniature world and be amazed by the many details of this model railway. In 2021, the Roostrijden Foundation organized a spectacular rail safari right across the Netherlands. From South Limburg to Medemblik, museum railway lines and locations were visited. The well-known Plan U 151 served as the means of transport. Join the safari with 24 Trains TV. To celebrate its 75th anniversary, the MVBS held a large number of rides with special rolling stock. During the festivities, there was even a moment when two diesel locomotives from the Valoo Steam Train Company encountered the famous Hondekop 766 in Dieren. A little later, there was also the unusual sight of a train set passing by. ICR carriages with the 1254 from AZTS and the 1501 went by, shuttling for the MVBS between Arnhem and Zutphen. By the way, fellow railway enthusiast, would you like to turn your hobby into your job? Then in Zutphen you can work full-time at the Model Train Shop, one of the best model train shops in the Netherlands. Check out the website for more information. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Would you like to watch even more train videos in the meantime? Then quickly head over to 24 Trains TV.